Did you know that Adrian Culp is speaking to Dad 2 Summit? He's the father of Ava and Charlie. Come, learn more. What is Dad 2 Summit? Well, I'll tell you, within 3 hours of my discovering it, I was doing some Twitter work for my lessons from my grandson's site, and I came across this. And within 3 hours, I had already booked the hotel, I had gotten my airline ticket, and I bought a ticket into the conference. This is an annual conference to change the perception of and the online abilities of those that are working dads that are sharing their information online. Is that you? Hey, we granddads count in that too. As I said, it's an annual conference about changing the perception and online voice of modern fatherhood. It's in New Orleans, January 30 to February 1, 2014. It's an open conversation about the commercial power of dads online. And it's an opportunity to learn the tools and tactics used by influential bloggers to create high-quality content, build their personal brands, and develop business ideas. If this sounds like it's for you, you should join us right away. As I said, Adrian Culp is speaking to Dad 2 Summit. He's the author of DadOrAlive.com. What a great title that is. Adrian is also the story editor of Modern Dads. As I say, he's the stay-at-home dad for 2 toddlers, Ava and Charlie. His popular blog, Dad or Alive, helped him procure a deal at Penguin Publishing titled Dad or Alive, Confessions of an Unexpected Stay-at-Home Dad. Learn more about him. Read it below. Go ahead. Go over to dad2summit.com. Find out about this summit and join us there. I look forward to seeing you there.